My hand is here, and pay attention on the screen. All right, it started rolling. I can sit back, have a cup of coffee, have a sip of my water.
Business owners can now generate landing page within seconds, thanks to this incredible AI technology, and the final result looks amazing.
If there is any technical difficulties, there is always tools to back you up. That's why in AdSalver, we got tens of thousands of business owners that are able to generate results across over 60 industries. Maybe today you are insurance agents, maybe if today you are a property agents, or maybe you are selling a product that's so commonly available anywhere, that having a high competition and always a price war, but yet we got users they are able to build up a huge customer base within just a few weeks. And I'm going to disclose all these secrets. I will show you exact case study on how I've been helping them to break through in just a few weeks. They get thousands of leads and customers. And the most important thing is easiest way for you to execute. You wouldn't want to go out there, run ads and throwing a lot of money, but still no closing, right? You would like the right audience, the right customer come to your doorstep and make a deal with you. And in this workshop, I will show you some tips, some formulas for you to learn it immediately that will draw customer audience, and most importantly, is the right customer. And I will share more about strategies, about techniques, and have a breakthrough in the upcoming workshop. See you.